If you want to build furniture that truly lasts a lifetime, you need to master classic techniques like this. We are demonstrating the round wedge through tenon joint. First, the mating pieces get a perfectly sized, round mortise. Then, we shape the end of the joining piece into a snug, round tenon. The mechanical secret is the kerf, a thin slot cut right into the tenon's end. Once the tenon is passed cleanly through the hole, we drive a contrasting wood wedge into that slot. This simple action forces the tenon to expand aggressively, creating an incredibly strong, flared-out mechanical lock. This joint simply cannot pull apart, guaranteeing heirloom quality and a beautiful, traditional look.